Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed practice set 15.2. Now in this video we will start the next topic, area of a trapezium. How to calculate the area of trapezium? See, one of the trapezium is given here. Trapezium means the one pair of opposite side is parallel. So here side AB and side DC is a parallel. So if we draw a perpendicular from the vertex A and B to the opposite side DC, they intersect at point P and Q respectively. So this trapezium is divided into three parts. So to calculate the area of a trapezium, firstly we calculate the areas of these three parts and take the sum of it. So first part is a right angle triangle APD. So firstly calculate the area of triangle APD plus calculate the area of a rectangle ABQP. So this is the rectangle, opposite sides are same. So here side AB is congruent with side PQ and side AP is congruent with side BQ. And third part is a triangle, right angle triangle BQC. So calculate the area of a triangle BQC and take the sum of all these areas. Suppose we give the name here. The side AP is a H. H means height of this trapezium. So see, area of a trapezium ABCD is equal to sum of the areas of these three parts. So first part is a triangle APD. Second part is a rectangle ABQC plus third part is a triangle BQC. Very simple. So area of a triangle APD plus area of a rectangle ABQP plus area of a triangle BQC is equal to, we know that area of a triangle is nothing but the half into base into height. So half into length of DP multiplied by H, because AP is nothing but the H, plus see the area of a rectangle. We know that base into height. So length of PQ multiplied by again H plus half into length of QC multiplied by H. Side BQ is congruent with side AP. So both are H. Now see the next. So take the H is common. Then what remains? Half into length of DP plus length of PQ plus half into length of QC. So if we take the half is common from all these terms, then here half is not present. So if we want to take the half here, so we have to multiply by 2, because 2 divided 2 is a 1. So by taking half is a common here, half into H is common. Length, what remains now in the bracket? Length of DP plus twice length of PQ plus length of QC is equal to, on the next step, half into H as it is. Now length of DP as it is plus length of PQ is a twice. So here length of AB, see the figure, length of AB is congruent with length of PQ. So instead of 1 PQ we can take length of AB. So see, instead of twice PQ we take the length of PQ plus length of AB plus length of QC as it is, because length of PQ is equal to length of AB is equal to, on the next step, half into H as it is, length of DP plus length of PQ plus length of QC, just interchange the place, plus length of AB is equal to, on the next step, half into H as it is, length of DP, see the figure, length of DP plus length of PQ plus length of QC is nothing but the length of DC. So write down instead of this length of DC plus length of AB as it is. So therefore area of a trapezium ABCD is equal to half into C. DC and AB are the two parallel sides. So area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the length of parallel side multiplied by H, and this is the formula. So therefore area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of the lengths of parallel side into height. So by using this formula we solve the practice set 15.3. Now let us move to the practice set 15.3. In that the first question is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB is a 13 centimeter, length of DC is equal to 9 centimeter, length of AD is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium ABCD. So here length of parallel sides is given and H height is also given. So just write down the formula and put up the values. See the solution. Firstly write down the given things. So what we need for calculating the area of trapezium? Yes, measures of parallel side. So the length of AB is equal to P1 means one parallel side is equal to 13 centimeter. Length of DC is equal to P2 second parallel side is equal to 9 centimeter. Length of AD means height H is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium ABCD equal to question mark. So firstly write down the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of length of parallel sides multiply by H. Now put up the values. So area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into 13 centimeter plus 9. Sum of the length of parallel sides multiply by H is 8 centimeter. So here half multiply by H. So 2 divided by 8, 2 4 is 8. And 13 plus 9 is 22 multiplied by 4. So 22 4 is 88. So therefore area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 88 square centimeter. Very simple. Now see the second question. A length of the two parallel sides of a trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter respectively, and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. So all things are given. Find out the area. Very simple question. See the solution. Firstly write down the given things. P1 first parallel side is 8.5 centimeter. P2 second parallel side is 11.5 centimeter and the height H is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Find out the area. Area equal to question mark. So write down the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side into height. So put up the values. Half into, in the bracket take the addition of 8.5 plus 11.5. Bracket close, multiply by h is a 4.2. So 4.2 is divided by 2. So it is 2.1. Take the addition. 5 plus 5 is 0 or 10. Carries 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 11 is a 20. 20.0 multiply by 2.1. So 21 zeros are 0, 21 zeros are 0, 21 twos are 42. So leave the two decimal places here. 42.00. So therefore area of trapezium equal to 42 square centimeter. Very simple. Now see third question. Quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means the length of non-parallel side is congruent. So here side PS is congruent with side QR. So length of PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Segment PM is perpendicular to the segment SR and length of SM is equal to 3 centimeter. Distance between two parallel sides is a 4 centimeter, means the length of PM is a 4 centimeter and it is H height. Find the area of trapezium PQRS. See the solution. So firstly write down given. So the quadrilateral PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means the length of non-parallel side is congruent. So here length of PS is congruent with length of QR. Next given thing is a length of PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Length of PM is equal to 4 centimeter and length of SM is equal to 3 centimeter. Now draw QN is perpendicular to the SR. So draw the perpendicular from the vertex Q on the side SR. So it is label is N. So QN is congruent with PM because distance between two parallel sides is same. So write down distance between two parallel sides is constant. Therefore length of PM is equal to length of QN is equal to 4 centimeter. Now see the triangle PSM and triangle QRN both are the right angle triangle. So in the triangle PSM and triangle QRN, side PS is congruent with side QR. This is given. Side or hypotenuse. Means hypotenuse PS is congruent with hypotenuse QR. Now the next is side PM is congruent with side QN, opposite side of rectangle because PQNM is a rectangle, correct? So therefore triangle PSM is congruent with triangle QRN by hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test. So therefore side SM is congruent with side NR. Side NR. Reason is corresponding sides of congruent triangle. So therefore length of SM is equal to length of NR is equal to 3 centimeter. Now see, the quadrilateral PQNM is a rectangle. So length of PQ is equal to length of MN. So write down quadrilateral PQNM is a rectangle. Therefore length of PQ is equal to length of MN equal to 7 centimeter. Reason is opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. To calculate the area of a trapezium, we need the length of parallel sides. Now we know the length of PQ, and to calculate the length of SR, we know the value of SM, MN and NR. So the length of SR is equal to length of SM plus length of MN plus length of NR. So put up the values here. 3 plus 7 plus 3. So it is 13 centimeter. Now write down the formula. Area of trapezium PQRS is equal to half multiply by length of PQ plus length of SR. Multiply by height. Height is nothing but the length of PM. Very simple. Now put up the values. Is equal to half into length of PQ is 7 plus length of SR is 13 into length of PM means H is a 4. So 2 is divided by 4, 2 2s are 4. 7 plus 13 is a 20 multiplied by 2 is equal to 40 square centimeter. So area of a trapezium PQRS is equal to 40 square centimeter. And this is the final answer. So here practice set 15.3 is over. Thank you.